Want to wear your favorite dress tonight, but it has a stain? Have you had your delicates hopelessly spoiled by washing machine? Going on a trip but don't want to lug around heavy bags full of clothes? You need an easy way to quickly and carefully wash that favorite dress, woolen sweater, or stinky socks on the go wherever you are. Introducing Nivel, the ultra-portable washing device designed to change the way people do laundry. Nivel is a portable washer that turns any container into your own washing machine. Just drop your dirty clothes, hats, socks, and delicates into any container. Add water, insert a Nivel detergent tablet into the washer, plug, and wash. Wait about 30 minutes and your clothes will be totally clean and fresh. Your basin, bucket, dry bag, sink, anything waterproof can be a washing machine. Bring it anywhere you want. Simply remove worries of damaging your favorite clothes or wasting money on laundry on a trip. It's as easy as this. Powerful waves of up to 20 centimeter penetration generated by the built-in vibrator dissolve the detergent tablet in 3 minutes. Based on pure plant concentration, the detergent tablet is able to clean, disinfect, and sterilize. Over 1,000 experiments helped us finalize the optimum hand wash rubbing amplitude. High-pressure bubbles travel through the water, creating high-pressure inflows that remove dirt.
I took Nivel with me when I went backpacking in Europe last month. I was traveling for 3 weeks and only had to bring 3 pairs of clothes with me.
I use Nivel for washing all my delicates. I was surprised at how gentle it was. It didn't damage anything at all.
I tried out Nivel with my sweaty workout clothes and they came out fresh smelling and clean in almost no time. And the best part, from now on, I can wear my favorite gym outfit every day.
And now we're ready to let everyone know. Support us on Indiegogo to bring Nivel into your lives.